Hello friends, welcome to our channel My Pen My Creativity. Today we will learn and write about oceans and continents. Let's start. As we know, there are 7 continents. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, Africa, Africa. Number 3, Australia, Australia. Number 4, Europe, Europe. Number 5, Antarctica, Antarctica. Number 6, North America. Number 7, South America. So these are the 7 continents. Now we will learn and write about oceans. There are 5 oceans. The names are Pacific Ocean. Number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. 4th, Southern Ocean. And number 5th, Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 oceans. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you will like all these contents which are really very helpful for you and your kids and all students. Please do subscribe my channel. So this is all about oceans and continents. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Thank you.